the IAS officer Pooja Khedkar's case, and it appears now, and also because India Today has been constantly trying to investigate independently and connect the dots, and it looks like there has been action now against her. What we are told is that this officer has been called back to the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, and by 23rd July, she needs to report back. This is the first major action. The district training program also that she was a part of has now been suspended. The scrutiny was, remember, not just about the disability certificate or the OBC non-creamy layer status certificate, but over alleged misuse of power and privileges, of literally asking the seniors and demanding privileges from her for a designation. But what has happened now? She has filed a complaint against the seniors, against the district collector of Pune, alleging harassment. Pune police, meanwhile, are also trying to coordinate and contact her parents, Dilip and Manorama Khedkar. This after specifically the videos of her mother went viral, brandishing a pistol, intimidating men over a land dispute.
उनका ट्रेनिंग अभी उनको जो पीरियड था प्रोबेशन पीरियड वो खत्म करके बीच में ही काटकर उनको उस संस्था में बुलाया गया है। तो अभी उसके आगे उनके लेटर में साफ साफ लिखा है कि उनको फर्दर एक्शन लेने के लिए उनको यहाँ बुलाया गया है। तो इसका मतलब इसके आगे की भी कार्रवाई होगी। हो सकता है कि उनको पद से हटाया भी जाए।
अब तो ये डर लग रहा है कि ये सरकार में हर संस्थाएं भ्रष्ट हो रही है। कल तक तो नीट की परीक्षा में आपने देखा जो कुछ हुआ, बच्चे बैठ नहीं पाए। अब वही हालत यूपीएससी में अगर होती है ये तो बहुत ही गंभीर है, क्योंकि लोग झूठे दाखिले देकर अगर यूपीएससी में आईएएस बन रहे होंगे तो आगे जाकर सेवा क्या करेंगे ये लोग। उसकी माँ पिस्तौल लेके खड़ी हो जाती है, उसके पिताजी आईएएस है, भागे भगोड़े अभी सब भागे हैं वहां। ये सिर्फ खेड़ेघर की बात नहीं है, परिवार के परिवार कुछ आईएएस बन गए हैं, वो भी सारी जांच करनी पड़ेगी अभी ऐसा लग रहा है।
मुझे लगता है ऐसे सेंसिटिव विषय में, कुछ अधिकारी के विषय में कोई भी बात होती है तो सरकार एक समिति गठित करती है, जिस समिति के सामने सारे विषय चर्चा को आते हैं। मुझे लगता है समिति गठित हुई है, उसमें जो तकरार के पार्टी वाले लोग वो भी बयान देंगे और जिनके खिलाफ आरोप हुए वो भी उसमें अपना साक्ष्य देगी। समिति जो निर्णय करेगी वो निर्णय सबको मान्य रहता है।
Now this, remember, is about cracking the whip because the charges were extremely serious and sensitive for a civil service where lakhs of aspirants apply, and it is literally the backbone of this country, the manner in which the country functions with bureaucracy. Let me now bring in Omkar Wable, who has been for days connecting these dots and independently trying to understand and investigate the case. What does this mean, Omkar, the fact that she's been called back by the administration and also the program she was a part of has been suspended? Does she mean, does this mean that her posting for now has been put on hold?
Look, Pooja, the program is not suspended. Basically, it's on hold. So now she'll have to go back to the Lal Bahadur Shastri Administrative Academy, which is located in the Mussoorie. So program will continue, but not with the Maharashtra state. So now she'll go back there, and Administrative Academy, basically, which is we can say, which academy has her actually probationer. The academy will decide what kind of actions will be taken henceforth. So, program with the Maharashtra state is on hold, and by 23rd she'll have to wind up everything from the Maharashtra state. And but the question remains same: where is Manorama Khedkar, who is trying to threaten those officers from the metro and the farmers who lodged FIR against her? And where is Dilip Khedkar? Even Dilip Khedkar's name was mentioned in the freshly lodged FIR. So Pune Rural Police are behind both of them because criminal intimidation charges are against both of them, and both are not exactly absconded, but both are missing, both are not reachable. Police are trying to trace them. Three different teams have already been formed by the local crime branches. So police are tracing them, and different kind of actions have initiated against Khedkar family.
That is so bizarre, because why are the parents in hiding? Why are they not cooperating to the questioning? If they've done nothing wrong, if there are some questions that search teams need to ask, they need to be setting an example and come forth. But we'll be tracking this big case. For now, it looks like the first step has taken. But is there a Pandora's box that's also opened here? Thank you very much, Omkar. I'll come back to you in just a short while as we continue to track the latest. Here's a special report for you. The first action has been taken in Pooja Khedkar's case. summoned by the IS Academy in Mussoorie. Also, there's been a program that she was a part of that's been put on hold. All of this because it started with questions about the certificates and then the privileges.
IAS probationer Pooja Khedkar is shunted out of Maharashtra. The state government has relieved Khedkar of all duties. Her IAS training stands cancelled. Pooja Khedkar will have to report back to the Mussoorie IAS Academy by July 23rd. The crackdown comes even as more skeletons tumble out in the case. The public servant is allegedly at the center of an elaborate scam involving forged medical records, multiple name changes, and age manipulation. Using multiple addresses to prove her alleged disability, Pooja Khedkar first obtained a visually impaired certificate in 2019 from an Ahmednagar hospital. In 2021, she obtained a mental illness certificate from the same hospital, while she got a locomotor disability certificate from Yashwantrao Chauhan Memorial Hospital in Pimpri. She later approached the government hospital in Ond to get a certificate for more disabilities, but this time her application was rejected. However, the 2007 medical certificate submitted for her MBBS admission shows no mention of any disability.
जो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दिया है उसमें एग्जैक्टली जिक्र क्या है?
That she is fit physically and mentally to undergo MBBS course ऐसा है, and absence of disabilities लिखा है उसमें.
Absence of disabilities. So in 2007, while she was taking admission here, she had no disabilities.
She was fit physically and mentally.
Finally, we can say probe has been initiated. The actions have been initiated on the different levels. Police are looking after Manorama Khedkar and Dilip Khedkar, parents of Pooja Khedkar. But yes, at least till now, service and the probation period of Pooja Khedkar with the state government of Maharashtra has been put on hold.
Despite these damning allegations, Pooja Khedkar maintains her innocence. She calls the charges against her a media trial.
मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड केली जाते आणि प्लीज हे माझं खूप जास्त डिफेमेशन होत चाललेलं आहे. माझं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट आहे मीडियाला सुद्धा की प्लीज एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल मीडिया म्हणून तुम्ही बिहेव करा. जेव्हा असं असताना माझी मीडियाला पण रिक्वेस्ट आहे की प्लीज तुम्हाला जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळेल ती तुम्ही प्लीज मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन म्हणून स्प्रेड करू नका.
As the case unfolds, the authorities are under pressure to get to the bottom of Pooja Khedkar's alleged fraud. With Omkar Wable, Bureau Report, India Today.